If you're experiencing login failures on Wix Studio, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you regain access to your account quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct email address and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity issues. Step 2. Reset your password. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes cache data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Certain browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions and attempt to log in once more. Step 5. Try a different browser or device. If the problem persists, switch to a different web browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is browser-specific or device-related. If you follow these steps and still cannot log in, consider reaching out to Wix support for further assistance.